This is a unique chance in the crypto world. The time is ticking, and the clock stops on January 1st. Welcome back, Quantum Cacti. Today, we're diving into something huge, the Manta New Paradigm campaign. This isn't just another crypto opportunity, it's a revolution in the making. You've got until January 1st to be a part of it, so let's get moving. Head over to the New Paradigm website to get started. Need an invite code? We've got you covered. Check the description for several codes and join our team for maximum gains. Once you're in, it's time to connect your Twitter and wallet. Simple and secure. And hey, if you're excited about crypto and technology, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and join the Quantum Cactus family for the latest and greatest in crypto. Next, we're off to the bridge page. This is your gateway to transferring ETH or USDT tokens. Here's a pro tip. Watch out for those gas fees and aim for times when they're lowest to save on costs. Remember, your ETH will be locked for 69 days, but it's not just sitting there, it's actively generating passive income for you. And there's more to it. Just 24 hours after depositing, you'll receive the synthetic stone token. This token is a game changer, offering you various ways to earn and grow your portfolio, acting as a liquid staking token. Plus, you'll be in for rewards like NFTs and Manta tokens. Let's take a moment to appreciate what Manta Network is all about. It's a groundbreaking platform with the Manta Pacific mainnet being the first EVM equivalent ZK application platform that's both scalable and secure. Leveraging Celestia's modular data availability and a modified OP stack, it offers low fees and high scalability. For developers, Manta is an ideal playground with its developer-friendly environment and universal circuits. And for users, it's about seamless compliance and a diverse ecosystem that includes DeFi, gaming, and social apps. It's more than just a network, it's a community of over 250,000 users worldwide, and you can be part of it. Continuing with our guide. Once you have your stone synthetic tokens, you're all set for an enhanced yield experience. These tokens are key to boosting your earnings through various activities, like staking and adding liquidity. And here's something exciting. By bridging a minimum of 0.25 ETH, you start collecting pieces. Accumulate 25 pieces, and you unlock a lucky box with potential surprises, including NFTs. It's an engaging and rewarding way to earn while participating in an innovative airdrop campaign. To increase your piece count, simply invite more people to join the campaign or bridge more liquidity. It's a straightforward way to enhance your gains. Interested in exploring the Manta ecosystem further? Keen on discovering some top-notch DeFi strategies with the Stone token? Drop us a comment, and we might cover it in our next video. That brings us to the end of today's episode, Quantum Cacti. Time is of the essence in the Manta New Paradigm campaign. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate notifications. Until our next adventure, keep exploring, stay informed, and grow with Quantum Cactus.